Do you want to discover a simple crypto trading strategy that always wins? Welcome to the world of crypto knowledge, crypto trading, where we delve into the intricate art of navigating the volatile crypto market. If your answer is yes, stick around. Welcome to the thrilling world of crypto trading, a realm of immense potential rewards, yet fraught with inherent challenges. Unpredictability and volatility are the name of the game here, leaving many traders in a constant state of tension. But there's a way to navigate this market with ease. The crypto market is volatile and full of uncertainty. This statement is no stranger to anyone who has dabbled in the world of cryptocurrencies. The digital market is notorious for its wild price swings and unpredictability. One moment, you could be riding high on a wave of profit. The next, you could be staring at a significant loss. This volatility can be daunting even for the most seasoned traders. The uncertainty doesn't end there. The crypto market operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means that prices can change drastically while you're asleep or away from your screen. This constant flux makes it difficult to keep track of your investments and even harder to predict future price movements. Furthermore, the lack of regulation and the presence of market manipulation pose additional challenges. It's like navigating a ship through stormy seas without a compass. However, a foolproof strategy can help you overcome these challenges. Now, let's unveil the simple yet effective trading strategy. Picture this as a three-legged stool. The first leg is knowledge. You need to understand the crypto market, its trends, and how various cryptocurrencies behave. The second leg is risk management. This involves setting a budget, placing stop-loss orders, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. The third and final leg is patience. Crypto trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time and discipline to see significant returns. Now, these three legs aren't new. They're common in most trading strategies. However, the magic happens when they work together. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions. Risk management protects you from significant losses. Patience allows your investments to mature. It's this synergy that turns an ordinary trading approach into a winning strategy. But what sets this strategy apart? The key to this strategy's success lies in its unique insight. Now, what's this insight, you may ask? Well, it's all about understanding the cyclical nature of the crypto market. It's about realizing that what goes up will inevitably come down and vice versa. Here's the thing. Cryptocurrencies, just like any other markets, move in cycles. They have periods of expansion followed by contractions. And this cycle repeats over and over again. This strategy leverages this very cycle. It positions you to buy low during the contraction phase and sell high during the expansion phase. Now, this might sound overly simplistic, but remember, the beauty of this strategy lies in its simplicity. It's about reading the market cycles right and acting accordingly. It's about not getting swayed by the market's volatility and sticking to the plan. This insight, this understanding of the market's cyclical nature, is what makes the strategy reliable and effective. To recap, here are the key points of the winning strategy. It's simple yet powerful, designed to navigate market volatility with ease. The key insight? Timing and patience. By understanding market cycles, you can effectively ride the crypto wave. With this strategy, you're set for success. Now that you've learned the winning strategy, it's time to put it to the test. Don't just sit there. Start applying what you've learned. Let us know how it goes by sharing your success stories below. Good luck and happy trading.